Hey guys, it's another episode of Makeup for Charity, and today we'll be heading to Mami Market, Ababa, to meet a female hustler, Lovett, who was recommended to us by her friend and to offer her a free makeup session. Stay with us, guys.
And when you're here, you spark chemical reactions.
So finally, guys, we are here, and believe me when I tell you, this is actually the first time I'm stepping foot into this market. In fact, this is actually the first time I'm getting to hear about this market.
Can you feel it?
So this is Lovett, and Lovett came to the gate to pick me up to lead me to our shop, and finally we are here, guys. So I'm just taking my time to cover everything she sells. After which we'll get into a brief discussion and interview with Lovett.
Heart next to mine, yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and
So it was at this point I told Lovett I was already recording, and she began to laugh and she was shy already. So Lovett has a very interesting story about how she started her business. So keep watching, guys.
just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe
My name is Okosleze Lovett Chineyunwa.
you. Got the only touch that takes me high.
Do pedicure, manicure, that is all kind of nails, acrylic, gel, normal cut test, and I do wigs, any kind of wigs, braided, ribbons. I do wig frontals,
Okay.
closures, full closures, anyone you want. I do it too, and I sell nails, even attachments, I do that too. I do POS. Yes,
Okay.
I have challenges. Like, okay, let me start from finance.
Okay.
I have financial challenge. Like my intention when I started this business, I had intention of selling attachments, ribbons, but because of money, I've not actually started. I just started small. But I believe that with time, when I get the finance I want, I can start by selling those attachments and other things. And another thing is manpower. I do have more customers in weeks. People come from outside for me to do frontals for them. You know, I'm the only one doing it. And that frontals, it takes time. Get maybe someone will come and say, do full closure for me. That one sometimes, because I'm the only one here, I'll be doing it and customers will come. I will leave it and start doing it. So sometimes it take 3 weeks. Most sometimes 1 month for you to be able to finish it. So I think I still need manpower to meet it. Another challenges I'm having in this my business is location. Like why I actually came to this place was because I don't want to stay at home. So, but I think I'm still looking out somewhere else, maybe where place that is busy. So this kind of my handwork requires me a place that is busy. So it's location. But I'm just managing here for now.
Only one way to describe it. It's electric. Can you feel it?
Yes, yeah. Let's use more.
It's electric. I'm nothing off.
I feel light makeup. Just light makeup. I don't like all this different colors. No, I don't like it.
How long have you been doing this business?
Okay, I just started just a few months ago.
Okay.
So 2 months, yeah.
Oh, 2 months. So what was the inspiration behind this business?
Okay. Should I say my mom? She sells provisional. Yeah. But it's just that each time I look at her, I feel this being boss of my own.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She inspires
She
you.
inspires me.
Something like that.
Sure. Then I said to myself that I'm not going to work for someone.
Okay.
I had to just start, no matter how little it is.
How were you able to raise capital for your business?
Okay. Okay, back then when I was in school, because I schooled at AMT.
Okay.
So when I was in school, sometimes my mom would give me money for textbook and I'll try to save some. And from there, after my school, I went for my service.
Okay.
I served in Akwa Ibom. So from the Alawi, because when I went for my service, we are being paid 33,000, although it wasn't easy. But I had to, squeeze some money, yeah, some cash. and I was saving because I had something in mind. I had in mind of starting my own stuff. So that was how I raised up capital.
How much did you wish you had, like, to
Okay.
start up or to
Before I
invest
started?
more? No,
Okay, to
to
invest
invest
more.
more in your business. Yeah.
Okay. You know that amount is too small, but for me to start the way I'm picturing it, I'll be needing like 500,000, I think, or even 500,000. Okay.
You think enough
Yes, yes.
for you to just buy more products?
Yes, product.
Product provides.
Many.
Definitely provide.
Sure.
I got you and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try. I need you and your heart next to mine, yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions, your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric. Can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric. I'm up in my feelings.
I feel like, should I say, queen of myself, and I think I'm loving what I see, or I'm seeing rather. And the name of my business is Love Crush Beauty Collections. I deal on wig making, wig closures, and frontals, pedicure, manicure, and I sell attachments and other things. My shop is located at number 48. Shop number 48, Mami. Ababa. Okay, that is it today. Okay, my advice to women or young ladies that are into businesses, any kind of business, it's that they should keep up the good work, no matter how little it is. Okay, you might be finding it difficult both in finance and in other areas, but don't relent, don't give up, because with time you'll start seeing the profits.
I get lost in your eyes every time, there's no turning back.